In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts in Hubspot. If you're managing your contacts in Hubspot and ever feel the need to export them for external analysis or reporting, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this step-by-step process to ensure you can easily get those contacts exported just when you need them. To begin, head over to Hubspot's homepage. This is your starting point where you'll be kicking off all the action related to your contact exports. The homepage can usually be found by typing HubSpot into your search engine or navigating directly to their website. Once there, you'll find the familiar login button situated at the top right corner of the page. Click it and go ahead, and sign into your account using your credentials. This will bring you straight to HubSpot Home, your dashboard, brimming with insights into your marketing, sales, and service endeavors. From the HubSpot dashboard, you'll want to find and click on CRM. Often situated in the main navigation menu, this step takes you into the heart of your contact management systems. Clicking CRM will lead you to a page dedicated to customer relationship management within HubSpot. After you've accessed the CRM section, you'll notice the contacts option available in the sidebar or the main navigation area. Clicking on contacts will bring up a list of all the contacts you have stored within the HubSpot platform. Here, you can view, manage, and interact with your contact lists. At the top of your contacts list, you'll notice an export option. This button is the gateway to getting your contacts out of HubSpot and into a format that suits your needs. Clicking export will prompt options for exporting your data. Here, you will typically choose the format in which you want your contacts to be exported, like a CSV file, which is versatile and can be opened in various applications like Excel or Google Sheets. Once you've selected your format and confirmed the export, HubSpot will start processing your request. You'll receive a notification, or sometimes an email once the export is ready, containing a link to download the file. And just like that, you have successfully exported your contacts from HubSpot. Exporting your contacts can help you with data analysis, creating detailed reports, or simply keeping a backup of your invaluable contact list. With these steps, managing and exporting your data from HubSpot should be a breeze. I hope you found this guide helpful, and remember, you can repeat these steps anytime you need to export your contacts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.